The pocket mask. You'll find a pocket mask in the pouch.
Pocket mask is compressed. Pop it back up so it creates a cup. Two-way valve right now. You blow in, it goes in, he throws up, it comes back to you. Filter. Install it onto the post, now it's a one-way valve. Nose and chin. Place a straight piece on his chin, drop it over his face, bridge of the nose. Thumb and index finger at the top on the air cushion, thumb and index at the bottom on the air cushion. Apply a little bit of pressure, forehead goes down and chin goes up to the ceiling. Head tilt, chin lift. Take a breath, give a breath through the filter. Look at the chest rise as you breathe.
The pocket mask.